Hello, everyone. A very good evening to all of you, and welcome to another session. Myself, Arun Shahu. I'll be your learner success manager for today's session. So, before we get started with the session, please give me a quick confirmation if my voice is loud and clear to everyone. You can confirm me over the chat box. Thank you all for the confirmation. Now, let me do a quick audio check with the trainer too. Hi, Anand sir. Good evening.
Good evening, Arun sir.
Yeah. Thank you so much sir, for the confirmation on your audio. I've given
Mhm.
you the access, sir, so you can get started with the session at any time.
Okay, sure, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Okay, okay, team. Let me. Okay, hi. Yes, Ammu. Hey, hi, everyone. Hope I am visible and audible to everyone. Okay. First of all, very happy New Year to everyone. I wish you all have a successful year ahead. You all learn multiple things in UI UX and also do, yeah, correct, Sahil. Yeah, happy New Year, everyone. And also do great things together. So, being said that, I have also read many of your assignments related to eBay, and a few of them have also shared the earlier assignments. All of them are really nice. I really appreciate those folks who have completed the assignments. It will really boost up your UI UX knowledge and your hands-on practice. Okay, so few things first, learners. About the Figma access, this is one of the constant question that I have came across. So wanted to tell you all that you all will get the email from for the registration email on 24th of this month, and post that once you register yourself through that email, you'll be able to receive the activation link in 10 to 15 days. That is a process from a Figma team. So be attentive for that email that you will receive in your inbox who all have missed the Figma registration earlier. Okay, so for you guys, as you know, right, we need to actually work on some basic stuffs in Figma. So you can use your free account for now, the open account. Okay, as we are not much deep diving into the Figma now, basic screens we are actually designing. So you can use your free account, and later on that same email that you have given will be upgraded to a student account. Okay, so just to take a kind note on this fact that you will receive an email on 24 of this month. So you all, whoever have not received, please be attentive on that. Okay. Okay, Amu, you can share the project with the help of this thing, the free account. You can create a free account on Figma. Okay. 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 Thanks. So you guys can, shall I share it here? Uh, okay, Ammu. Basically, you are talking about the projects, right? The course and project. Yeah, you can. Yeah, you need to upload that. You need to upload that I'll tell each and everything. I'll tell each and everything. Today we'll together we will do that project. Okay, and it would be better like if many of you or all of you could complete the project in the session itself. Yeah, I'll take you through the project in detail. Okay. Finish it here. No, I don't. I'll tell you, Ria, what you need to do in the write up. Risha, as I told you, you need to create your free account. You need to create your free account. Okay. Okay. Yeah. How's it? Okay. So again, I'll reiterate. Whoever have not uh, created the Figma registration earlier, okay, or have not done the stuffs earlier related to Figma, you will all get an email on 24th of this month, the registration email, and you can register yourself. After 10 to 15 days of registration, you'll get an activation link and you can do that. For now, you can use the Figma free. Okay, you can use the Figma free account. Rusha, it would be better like in the 3 hour session, you can submit it. Okay, we'll together do it. Okay, or by EOD today, you can finish it after creation. Right now, I'll share my screen and I'll show how to create. I'll how to create the projects and how to do all the stuff. Okay, and then you can understand, you can learn rest. You can work with me uh, in the same assignment if you are yet to do it, and you can submit. I'll also tell how to submit. Okay, the write-ups and everything I'll tell one by one. Okay. Okay, I see. No worries, Kevin. No worries, Kevin. You can share. Okay, perfect. Okay, Sarika. I create Figma account, sir, but how I can send you? Sarika, you need not to send me. You need to upload it. You need to upload it over portal. I'll take you through that portal. How to do that? I'll take you all. Okay, I'll share how to do it. No, no worries, Anubhav. Okay. No worries, Anubhav. Yeah, you can work with me right now. Okay, I'll tell you the simple step. Okay. Okay. No worries. No worries, Sarika. No worries. You can work. Right now we will work on the course and project. Okay, we'll work on the course and project. Okay. So guys, shall we start? All are with me? Okay. 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 Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Let's get started, guys. Hope you all can see my screen. So first and foremost, okay, let me take you all through. the portal. Okay, so right now I am sharing you. You can think of this as a design system. We will get to know about the design system. We'll get to know about its uses, how to do it. It is super important when you are working on any of the UI, the interface. Okay, so we'll talk about in detail every component in upcoming classes. For now, just understand design system is group of all the components that we are going to use on any interface. Okay, so for example, in if you see, as we talked earlier, in a mobile application we can have input bar, we can have card, text, all this. So we define that in one place and keep it together. Okay, we call it design system, and from there only we'll take the components and we apply it, okay, on the interface. That is simple design system. So just a quick idea I wanted to give you all. For that, I have given you this link. I'll also share you all the stuff going forward in the class. Okay, for now, let's let me share the this one with all you guys. Once again. Okay. So let's first get walkthrough on the LMS portal. Okay. So whenever you open your LMS portal, you can see multiple stuffs here. Okay, like learning path, session is live, all this. Okay. Once you click here, uh, all of those who feel confused, yesterday I was talking to one of the learner. If you feel confused, like, hey, how to do it, where are the guided practice and all, so you can have a look here. Okay, so here you can see right now, if you come here, so in the past classes you see, for me, in the UI UX design thinking, and if you go to assessment, here I can see designing a fashion app. Okay, you guys can see it. So here, what exactly is the course and project is, uh, in the top it's written designing a fashion app UI means few things. First, you need to design a fashion app, for example Mintra. You need to design an UI, means interface, and it is a single page, means no need to go for multiple pages, a single page. Okay, now what it's saying this project involves designing a mobile application, right? So we need to design a mobile application. Okay, first thing. Second thing is, for whom we need to design, we need to design for fashion enthusiasts and shoppers. So you can think of a wide range of public, wide range of audience. They come here, they search the thing, then they decide the thing, they go in the detail, and at the end they simply purchase it once they like it. Okay, so it is for multiple users, like a diverse user is there. Okay, after this, so two things are clear with us. First is we need to design a mobile application. The second thing is we need to design for wide range of audience. Sometimes you get an when you work in corporate industry or working as a corporate industry, you will get an direct demand, or you can say problem statement. This, you need to design an application, and if they are not mentioning which applications, you should go and ask, like, whether for which resolution I need to design. Okay, it's a mobile, iPad, or desktop web application, what it is. Okay, and second is what are our target users. So here, fashion enthusiasts and shoppers. Okay, the third thing is the goal. Okay, what exactly the goal for this course and project one, means for this problem statement. So the goal is to create an intuitive and engaging user experience, means it should automatically, it should say, it should speak to the user. Okay, where are the search, where are the different sections, different modules, how to go about it, okay, all this stuff. So we need to create intuitive, means an engaging UI first thing, and it should give a engaging user experience, means a relation should be there in between the mobile application and the user when user is going to use it, okay. And what is the fourth thing? The fourth thing is what they are going to explore. They are going to explore different clothing items. They should discover what are the different stuffs are there, and at the end they should purchase. Now a question can come in your mind, like in a single page prototype, how it is possible to show all this stuff, okay, as I am talking about a single page prototype, okay. So the answer is, this project is ideal for learners looking to apply UI UX design principles. So now, whatever we have learned, okay, like what how the UI should be, the basic thing that we have learned, okay, you need to apply that thought process into the Figma as a fashion UI design, okay. And what should be the engagement? The engagement should be, there should be a personalization, means some recommendation, some suggestions to the user, some trendy styles or trendy wears, whatever it is, as it is a fashion app, you need to showcase all these things, okay. Always read instructions carefully, okay. So learning material you need to design, you know that, right? The situation, tasks, whatever it is, an assignment you need to complete and submit. So in short, whenever going forward for any course and project, just the way I have explained the stuffs to you, the description or problem statement to you, in the same way you need to explain what all you need to design, what exactly is the goal, and what exactly is the deliverable. Okay, it is very much important for you guys to understand these three things, okay. And after understanding this, prepare your research, prepare your assignment, and then submit it. Okay, with that note, let's get back to the Figma. Okay, I'm sharing my screen, guys. Okay, let me share it. Yeah, Mu, 1 second, I'll tell. Yeah, yeah, Mu. So basically I was saying, whenever going forward, you go for any course and project, okay, at that time it is very much important for you to understand what exactly is the problem statement for what you are designing, whether it is a for web application, means computer resolution is more, for mobile application, for iPad, first thing. Second thing is, what are your target users, okay, like whether you are working for you are designing for some target user, or it is a diverse target user, means a global target user, or you can say a global user. Third thing is, what are the deliverables, what exactly is the deliverables that they are expecting. Like for example, sometimes they ask you for some links, or at sometime they might ask you for prototype link also, sometime simple link, like no linking is required, just a single page UI, okay, all this stuff. So always read the problem statement very carefully and the instructions, okay. You are with me, guys? Okay, Amu, am I clear? Okay, okay, perfect. So now, first thing first, as we are into this interface, okay, then what we need to design, I'll tell you. Okay. So, meanwhile, I'll just share you one thing. Okay. You guys have a look on this first. So, this is a simple that you can see. Okay. I'll also show you in the step-by-step process. But for now, just here thing. Meanwhile, I'll also talk you about the shortcuts and everything. Sometimes this area might feel you complex or might feel you burden. So to have a broader view, what you can do is you can click here, and this will go away. Now you can have full this thing here. Okay, so you can see here. Okay, in the top I have all the status bar, then the deliver address, the way I have done it. Okay, the search, the notification, the favorite, the all these thing I have here done it. You see here. Okay, then a simple hero image, or you can say as a banner. Just an overview, guys, think right now. Okay, multiple things are there. Then we have different sections: men's, women's, kids, jewelry, Gen Z. Okay, then I have trending now, see more. Okay, I like multiple things. Right now I'm just showing four things, and here I'll show you in the prototype view. Here I have the different snack bars, like the different modules, or you can say sections. Okay, so being said that, let's jump into the steps. So how you will design. First thing first. Okay, we need to create a mobile application. Okay, so as I told you last class, here we have frames. Okay, click on the frames. Here we have phone. Okay, because we need to design for phone, any mobile application. So let's go ahead with iPhone 16 Pro. Okay, so once I click here, this frame is ready with me. You take a look into this area also. You guys are following me, right? You can do along with me, guys. I'll tell you, Hilda. I'll tell you, Hilda. I'll tell you. Let me first do this small demo to everyone. Okay, like those who are feeling stuck, they can get benefited from here. I'll tell you. Post, yeah, post our this thing. Reason behind selection frame. I'll tell you, Priyanka. So post our break, I'll talk about the assignment way, how to upload it, and how to do all the stuff. Okay. Before lunch, let's stick to this. Okay. You guys can continue with me and try to uh, do like follow step by step. Together, you can do along with me. Okay, Priyanka. Why I have taken a frame is you can confirm this frame. You can think this frame as a artboard. Okay, for example, you can see this is my phone. Okay, so this area, okay, this area you can confirm as a frame. The area that you see, okay, where the content will be visible, okay, that is a frame, means the size. Okay, so Priyanka, if you see here, this is a frame I see here, and here width is 402 and height is 874. Okay, you got it, Priyanka? Perfect. So now, first thing first, as I showed you here, okay, you see. So right now, the topmost thing that we need status bar. Okay, so simply, I told you earlier, I showed you a design system. So you can always create, for example, you see here, if I need to create it. Okay, so what I can do is I can take a frame here, because it is a frame again. You can think of a area. Okay, so here the height width is 402 and 59. Okay, so what I can do is I can take a frame, and here I'll go here, and I can write 402 and 59. You can anytime create it. Okay, see, the same frame I have created here also. Okay, and here what I can do is I can go and click here and write 941. Okay, and it is a bold, so I can select it. I'll go down here in the typography, I'll make it bold. Okay, see, I have done it. Okay, anytime I can create it, but as you know, in the corporate, it is always important you to work smartly. Hard work is appreciable, but smart work is more than that. Okay, so always try to use the component which is already there in the web. So I'm designing for iOS. Okay, and I showed you a design system. Okay, so I'll just show you one more time. So the design system that I showed you earlier. Okay, from there I'll copy one component. Okay, just a second. So here I also is that in the Slack for you guys to refer. Okay, just now I have copied this. You see here. Okay, so this is a component design. So I'll tell you, as I told you, I'll tell you in detail in the future. But for now, you see, I have all the components ready. Okay, automatically, and it is given by Apple itself. The okay, from Apple I get it. Okay, so this is already ready made with us. So there are many things which are ready made over internet. Okay, you just need to use it smartly so that you can quickly do the stuff and being more productive. Super important. Okay, being said that, now I have used this snack bar. Okay, at the top I will just go and I'll click this, and here I'll write, for example, this is the renaming fashion app. Okay, and here just to those who are actually knowing the Figma advanced version or the shortcuts, it is good. But I'm just sharing for those folks who are very new to the Figma or wanted to learn few tricks. So to align whatever what I have done right now, okay, I'll tell you again. So I have come here. Okay, I have Control C or Command C in Mac. Okay, I wanted to copy it. I'll go here, select the frame, Control V. Okay, it will fit to the size. Okay, you need not to do it manually. Okay, if resolution is more or less, you can adjust it, but select and do it. First thing first. Okay, then once the status bar is done, okay, what I need to do, I can come here, and what exactly is the important thing right now? If you go right now, you don't think much on the how what exactly is the user experience and all this stuff. Right now, you are applying your principles. Okay, the module 3 is there. We will learn about more. But as we need to go ahead and make a user engaging UI, so what should be the most important thing that should come in the mind whenever you are designing an application, or in Mintra or Amazon, if you open and if you see, what should be the first thing at the top, or in the web application, in the top, or in the header part, you can see. Okay, I think location. Correct. Correct. Right. Location. So that's why it is super important for every application that they should, because pin code, location, search bar is also there. Okay. Status bar, where to get. Okay. Status bar, I I I'll tell you. So status bar, I showed you a design system earlier. Okay. Here you can see again. So I'll show you. Okay, in upcoming classes I'll show you a design system where everything is there and already uploaded, like over the internet we have the material available. Okay, from there we can get it. Okay, so now here, as I was saying, one of the important thing is location, super important. Correct. So what you need to do is whenever you are working on some application where delivery is there, okay, so people may have multiple location where they are delivering, okay, that should be upfront and clear to the user. So what we need a location information in the Mintra application also. If you go and if you check, okay, you can easily find that option because that is super important. Okay, now here someone might ask me, sir, how to get this icon, how to get this icon. So right now I'm explaining you a very super important stuff. Okay, please pay attention here, guys. Now what I need here, I need a location icon, I need a arrow icon. Okay. Those who are expert, you also please pay attention. Those who feel like they are not very expert at Figma, okay, you pay more attention here. So here I need to. So there are two ways, okay, to get the assets. In design term, we call these assets. Okay. So to get the assets, okay, there are two ways. One is you can create it. Okay, the way I've right now I've created a frame. Okay, you can create it. Okay, second way is, as I told you, we need to act smartly. So there is an option here. If you go in the actions, click here. Okay, and here we have plugins and widgets. Okay, for me, already this Iconify is there. Those who have not installed this Iconify, for them, you just go here, type here Iconify. Okay, once you type Iconify, you can see here Iconify is there. Okay, for you, let me click here. Once you click here, you can see all this stuff. Okay, all this, you go here, click on run. Once you click on the run, you can see, or you can get all these icons here. Okay, for example, I need this icon. Okay, simply press it, drag it outside. Okay, you'll be able to see it. Okay, for now I need Iconify, so let me go to Iconify. Okay, and here what I need a location icon. Okay, guys, I need a location icon, so I'll go and write location. Once I write location and search, I can get multiple location icon here. You can see. Okay. Now, whatever you wanted to put, okay, I'll tell you in later classes in module 3, what should you choose, what should be the design symmetry, all this stuff. But for now, just understand the process. Let's suppose I like this icon. Okay, click it. Now you can see size, color, everything, it's there. Just drag it here. Okay, you see I dragged it here. And one more thing I need, that is a drop down icon, right? So I'll write down arrow icon. These are the smartest what I'm telling you. So for example, you see I need a down arrow. Okay, I need a down arrow. So for example, I like this. Okay, I'll take it out. Okay, now what I'll do is, you go here, and here if you see, this is the icon, and this is the icon that I need. Okay, and how, what I can do is, I'll go here, here. Okay, so now we are done with the status bar. It is coming to full width. Now you, there is one terminology in the design, we call it margin. Margin means the space that should be there as a negative space from the end of the resolution till an extent where real estate will come. So I'll tell you an example of this. Let me. Okay. Let me open this for you. So here if you see two important thing, very much important. Okay, if you can see it here, it's an Amazon. Okay, this space you can see this one, this space we call it margin. Okay, here and here we keep margin. Okay, we call it margin, and this in between, you see here, from here to here, from here to here, from here to here, from here to here, whatever it is, we call it gutter space. So idea, there are situations we'll get to know in detail. There are situations where gutter space might be more than the margin, or gutter space might be less than the margin. We'll talk about those situations in upcoming classes, but for now, understand this is margin and this is a gutter space. Okay, so think in that perspective. Whatever the space that you are keeping from the screen width to the real content, that is margin, and in between the content, the negative space that you are keeping, that is a gutter space. Okay, now let's go back to our Figma. Okay, now Chrome tab. Okay, so we were here now. So here margin will be from here to here, so it's ideal like 16. So it is being said that unit 4. Okay, unit 4 is the space that we need to keep. I'll tell you that also. Okay, so if you see, okay, you can see there are squares. You see squares, so consider this as a pixel. Okay, pixel is the standard unit that is being counted in the Figma. Okay, so this is one pixel, one pixel, one pixel, one pixel. So if I draw some design element from here, and if we go till here, that we call it 4 pixel. Okay, because 1 2 3 4. Now being said that, it's ideal to keep 4 unit of space. Okay, why I'm telling you, I'll tell you that. Okay, so 4 is considered as a building block, like the minimum uh, spacing. Okay, that should be there in between the element. If it's 4 and multiple of 4, that's better in the design. Okay, so now what you can do is go here, go view. In the view, you can go to rulers, or you can press shift R. So once you press shift R, a ruler will come. Okay, drag it, and you see right now it's 0. You see it's 0. I'll make it to 16. So now it is 16. Okay, in the same way, what I can do is here it is 402. Okay, so I should keep 16 here also. I can set it, I'll tell you in the Figma classes, but for now just an information. Okay, so you can consider this as a, it will come at 386, correct? So what I'll do, I'll set at 386. Right now you can see 386. Okay, so this area is my real area where where I'll design. Okay, very important guys, please pay attention. For any doubts, please let me know. Let me take few chats. Yeah, Rusha, I'll zoom out. No worries, Paraj. Gutter space, yeah. I'll repeat. I'll repeat. No worries, guys. No worries, guys. Okay. So I'll zoom out. I'll zoom out. Okay. Now you see here. From this, like start to this, what we keep is margin. Means here we have kept this at 16, means 16 pixel is the margin. Here also 386 and it is 402, so 16 pixel is the margin. Space between this to this is, if you see here, 62. So how you can check it? Click here, and from here you wanted to see the distance of this one. Go here, like right now I clicked it, I go here, mouse over, and press alt. You can see this space. 62 is the gutter space. Okay, guys, got it? Gutter space, margin, and this thing. Okay, yeah, I'll do it. Red ruler. Okay, I'll again tell you. For making a ruler, let me first hide it here. So go to Figma. Here you can see Figma. Okay, Figma. I click this, and here go to view. In view, you see ruler is ticked. So when it is not ticked for you, right now see there is no ruler here and here. Go here, go to view. Here you see ruler. Click on ruler. Okay. Now if you go and see in the view, ruler is ticked for you. Okay. Now the moment ruler is ticked, you see I can see here. From here, if you go and mouse over here, now press left arrow mouse key and drag. This red line is coming. And I'll set it to 16. As I told you, basic block is 4. So 4 cross 4 I have set to 16. Okay, very important. So this is the way you always work with ruler. Super important. From here to here it is margin, and from here to here it is gutter space. Okay, I hope I'm clear now. So now my real space is from here to here. I will not go beyond this, except for few scenarios like hero image, carousel, and all this stuff. Will do it. Now I'll go here. Okay, and from here I can see width and height is 24 and 24. I feel it bit big. So what I will do is, how you will check it? Click here, click here. So this entire will become blue. Go here, and here click on preview. Okay, you can see here. So likewise you can see a preview. Let me, yeah, you can, okay guys, you can see, you can even enlarge it. Okay, so now you see hit here. Okay, you can see, and I can analyze. This is a mobile screen. Okay, if I make it zoom out, you can see it more in your system. You can see it. So here I will analyze, oh, how it is looking like. Okay, it is bigger, it is smaller. Okay, in the same way here I feel it bit bigger, so I'll go here, I click on here, and I'll make it 20. Okay, now this is a frame. Again I told you 4 unit means 4, 8, 16, 24, 32, all this 4 unit. Okay, so what I will do is, from here to here 10, I feel it bit more. You'll get an idea how to decide it. Let's keep it 8. Okay, and here I want it in the left. So what I will do is, I will keep in the left. Okay, now I click on the T, means I want to write, and whatever I wanted to write, okay, I can write it. Let's make this like ways. Deliver to, let's suppose, okay, deliver to Bangalore. Okay, for example, and I wanted to make the size, okay, it's regular, and let's keep it 14. Okay, likewise you need to, and It should be center align, means aligned to this one. So how will you do it? Click this here, and you need to choose this one, center line. Okay, and from here to here, again 4 unit, it's 8, that's correct. And here what I will do, again I'll go here. Okay, and here you can see. Okay, here to here 1, let's keep it 2. Okay, 4 divided by 2 means half of 4 is 2. Okay, the way you can see it here. Okay, I have done it. Now, being said that, okay, what I will do is, from here, in the same way, okay, the way I have designed, you can design it too. Okay, I'll make it zoom, and I copy this entire thing. I'll go here, and from here to here, okay, I can deliver. Okay, I can copy it this also here. Okay, the entire thing I can copy it. Now, this is a frame that I've created. In the same way, you guys also can create a frame. So to create a frame, you know how you can do it. So first this location, then this arrow, then you need to create a rectangle. Inside this a logo, search pants, this icon, and this icon. Can we guys quickly do it? Okay, Amu. So yeah, perfect. Perfect. So now, Amu, for the fonts, it is super important to understand the hierarchy, or you can understand the synchronization, how the font will go to the different screens. Okay. For now, once you will practice again and again, you will get to know how to do it. But for now, keep it 14. 14. Okay. You need to see while preview how it is looking, whether it is looking much bigger. Okay, for example, if I make it 40, it's too much, right? So you can sense, okay, what should be the exact size. But generally in application we go from, like, minimum is 12 and maximum is 24. Okay, in design system I'll tell you for header how much you should use, for body content what should be used, for module title or section title what should we use, I'll tell you in detail. But for now, use it 14. Okay. 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 Okay, let me see the chat again. Okay. Okay, Sahil, I'll repeat. Already has elements. Okay. Okay, Pushpa. Perfect. Perfect. So Pushpa, okay. Then you can rearrange the thing. Okay. You need to rearrange it. Okay. But you need to create, yeah, you need to create accordingly. According to the fashion. According to the fashion app. Okay. Pushpa, you can, yeah. So even the location I am not able to drag. Yeah, see, basically, I think you must have used it from or taken it from some other resources. In that situation, that is an auto layout. Okay, that's why you are unable to use it. Right now, don't, no, no, don't do this. It will, yeah. Mhm. No worries, you can do a move. Okay, so right now, Pushpa, you follow me, what I am saying. Okay, what I am saying, you follow me. Okay, so here select this. This is the This is the entire frame, okay, that I have, okay, that I wanted to show. So now, see, this is the frame I was having. Now this is there with me. So what I will do is, I'll select this, I'll select this, I'll select this. After selecting, either Control Z, Command G, or right click group. Here, right location. Okay, you all are with me now. Once I done it, okay, so one is this one, status bar. Second is this location. Now I need a search bar. Okay, how will I do it? I need one rectangle. Come here, either press R or click here, draw it. Okay, so here, what I need here is stroke. Stroke means the border. Okay, so stroke is this one. I'll select this first thing, and there is no fill. Click here. Minus means I don't need fill, I need stroke. Click on the stroke, and here paste the color code. Okay, you can feel you can feel free to do some experiment. You can go up and down, whatever you feel, okay, which suits your design. You can paste it here. Okay, now I have this stroke. Apart from this, you see, I have weight and also the corner radius. Okay, so think in this scenario. So here the corner radius is 4. I'll keep it 4, and weight is 1. Okay, and here if you click, you see height is 38 and width is 223. I'll go here, width is 223. Okay, you can anytime preview. Height is 38, let's say. Okay, and what I will do is, I'll go here, and now I'll see, okay, 16 is looks fine to me. Now inside this, I need to put this Mintra, or you can see I have just reversed the logo for me. Okay, you can use some other logo and simply copy this and come here. Okay, currently in the Mintra application, you can see it. Okay, now I need to keep this space. Like, what should be this placing from this to this? Click this. Here you can see 11. Okay, so I told you 4 or multiple of 4. Go down here, and here you can adjust it 8. Okay, yeah, sure, Divakaran. Yeah, please, always do this, Divakaran. Okay, now how to see the spacing? Super important, guys. Click here, press, and here go here and press Alt. Okay, or Option in the Mac. You will say space. So here I'm good, like 8. I'll zoom out. I'll go here, and I can, in the same way, I can check. I can write this also, right? For now, I am taking this here. Again, I'll see the space 8 8. I'll go here and 8. Okay. So you see from here 8, and here it is 8. I'm pressing Alt. Okay, and I need this search icon also. Okay, so the way I showed you. Okay, here you can go in the Iconify and you can look for the search. Okay, in the same way, I'll go here. Okay, and I'll select this and keep it center. It's in center. I'll select this and see the space again. Okay, 11. I'll make it 8. Okay, guys. So now once that is done, I'll open the layer panel. This is the layer panel, you can see. And I'll select, this is already selected, like select this, select this, select this, and I need to select this rectangle also, right? Select this. Here you can see all selection. Okay. What I will do, Control G means group. Okay, or Command G. This is the group. Inside group, I have this. You see, search, I have this search pan text, this image, and this rectangle. Now select this group and give a name, search bar. Okay, you guys are with me? Yes, following. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, perfect. Now from the from this iconify, again do one thing. What we need here, we need three things. So let me do it along with you. Go to iconify once, guys. Okay, like this. Go to iconify, and here we'll create. Okay. So what is the first thing we need? This notification. Then heart, we call it favorite, and then profile icon. Okay. So first we need notification. I'll write notification. Okay. Press enter. I got multiple notification. Let's suppose I like this. I'll drag it here. Then what I need heart. Okay, multiple heart. I got it here. Always remember one thing. Although they give the same stroke, stroke means the border. Okay, means I'll tell you. You see, from this to this, what it is. Okay, this is stroke width. So here, to make a good design, always take this as a note. The stroke of the icon or the assets that you are using, that should be same. Okay, so for example, let's suppose I take this. Okay, go here. Okay, let's suppose I have taken this. Okay, now you see clearly, you can see the stroke is different, right? So whether it will look good. Yeah, Nikita. No worries, no worries, Nikita. You can follow now. Okay. So basically, we are working on the course and project. I am sharing like how to do the project that is being assigned to you, all you guys. Okay. We are creating a single page fashion app prototype. Okay. You can follow me, Nikita. You got it? Okay, perfect. So it will know, right? It will not look good. So I need a same stroke. Okay. So let's suppose if I go here. So see, okay. So the stroke is same. Okay. And what we need profile icon. We call it profile. You see, like this we have. So for now, let's take this. Okay. We have taken all three. But now if you see here, the stroke of this is little less, or you can say not much stroke. So comparatively, this and this is bit less. So what we can do, we can go here and we can write notification. Okay, and we can choose, for example, this one. Okay, you see now strokes are aligned. I hope this is very clear to all you. Okay, super important, guys. This is for those who are very new to Figma, very new to design. Yeah, little thin. Okay, guys. Okay, for the experienced one, I'm sure like you there should be some, you guys are feeling, but try to be focused and try to take the steps, the shortcuts that I am explaining right now. Okay, those shortcuts will help you to all the experienced one, like who are familiar with the Figma. Let's continue. So now from here I have this three icon. Okay, you see notification, heart, and this one. So profile, what I will do, I'll take the profile here. Okay, then I'll go and put the heart. Then I'll go and put the notification. You got it, right? Now there should be a same space between this to this and this to this. Okay. So again, remember that 4 and multiple. So what we can keep here? Let's keep 16. Okay. And here again, let's keep 16. Okay. Now I need make them center. Select all and here center. Now I want to make them group. Right click, group selection. Okay. And I want this entire group to be center aligned with this one. Okay. This one. So what I will do, I'll go here and I'll select this and make center align. Okay. You guys got it, right? And now this is done. So I'll open the layers panel. This is the group. I'll make it write actions. Okay. You guys are with me? Till here clear. Now if you go and preview it, let's preview. Okay. If you preview it, you see. You can see. You guys can sync. Looking better, looking like a mobile application. Okay, let me check the chat. Yes. Okay. Perfect. Now, guys. Okay. Once this is done, okay, we are going to work on certain section. So for now, what you can do is you can go and write some image or sorry, write some text over the image as a banner. Okay. So for example, this image I have taken. Okay, you can see this frame. I have taken this frame. Okay. In the same way, you can come to your page and here, let me delete this. Okay. And let me paste here. Okay. So this frame I have. Okay. So what you will take here, let me hide this. So here we have two things. One is this frame, you can see, where I've written the text, and one is this. This is simple image. In the same way, you can take an image of 402 as we have the width 402 and 206 height. Okay. You can take this image, you can crop with the help of snipping tool or any tool, and you can fit it here. And as I told you, we need to give some spacing. So here it is 17 as it is mobile application. So let's keep 24. Okay. And once you wanted to see, click here, see the preview. Here, go here and resize device to 100%. You know, you can see it is looking nice. Okay. The spacing looks nice. Close it. In the same way, write this description. Okay. The way I have given. Fashion day, 80% off. Discover fashion that suits your style. And the way I have created this, you need to create this. And here, I can adjust the space as I told you. As this is 16 margin, here we can also keep 16. Okay. Now I'm here. Click on the fashion app here and I can preview it. Okay, you see, looking better, looking cool. And if you feel like this is more space, so don't feel, because in mobile generally we keep more spaces. so that users can easily tap. There should be an area for tapping. Okay, till the time you guys create this banner, okay, I'll take few questions related to submission or all this stuff, if anyone. Or should I go ahead and continue this, guys, over the chat, please? Okay, what I'm saying is, you guys are, I hope you guys are following. Okay, you guys are following. So if everyone is at the same pace, continue please. Okay, sir, I'm stuck. Okay, Pushpa, I'll help you out. Okay, you guys are following me, right? Like, we are done till this banner. Yes, sir. Okay, Pushpa, you don't worry. Pushpa, I'll sit with you at the end. Don't worry, I'll sit with you at the end. Okay, for now you just follow the concept. Okay. Okay, Rajiv, I'll again explain. Click here, go to the Iconify. Here, write profile. Press enter. You will get multiple profile icon. Just drag whatever you feel to use. For example, I wanted to use this one. I can use this one. Okay. No worries, Divakaran. That's fine. No, that's fine, Divakaran. That's okay. That's okay. You have already submitted, right? Divakaran, you have submitted over the portal, LMS portal. You have shared the Figma link, right? Okay, perfect, Divakar. No worries. Fine. That's fine. You can follow the concept here. Okay, guys. So I hope you all have followed till this one. Shall we move? Pushpa, don't worry. I'll sit with you. We need to submit the proto link. I'll share after the lunch. I'll share you guys how to do that. Super easy. Okay. Yeah, Sujit, that happens because what happens is, if the frame is going outside, that will be chopped. Don't let your frame to go outside. Okay, don't let the content go outside the frame. Okay, Sarika, no worries, it's a supernatural. Frame is inside. Okay, then no worries, Sujit. That will be fine. That will be fine. Okay, Sujit, no worries. If preview is coming fine, then it will be okay. Sarika, uh, don't worry, don't worry. Okay, don't worry. Just try to do whatever I am showing right now. Okay, okay, Sarika. Uh, this this meeting is already recording. Yeah, yeah, no worries. You can see the recording after the class. Let me check. Okay, Sarika. Okay, frame is inside is preview. Okay. Yeah. If frame is inside, then no need to take tension. That will come in the real space, Sujit. Okay, Sujit? Okay. Now, from here, what we need to do is, now we are at the banner. Now I need to go and needs to design few other things. Okay, the sections, the modules, and all this stuff. Okay, so for that, what I will do is go here. Okay, this. Okay, I'll go and copy from here. Okay, let me copy it and let me close this. Let me paste it here. Now, this is one frame. So what I'm doing it here, guys, understand. In the same way, when you will refer website, okay, when you will refer the website or any application for designing, in the same way you need to design. Okay. Now it is a banner. Okay. There could be multiple banner. Okay, that will come. So it is showing this. So you know how to design it. Go here. You can choose this, or you can write O in your keyboard. Okay, type O and it will be done. Now, as this mantra is towards this logo, like pink, orange, then multiple reddish tone. Okay, so you can have same. That is our primary color. We'll talk about this in the color theory in upcoming. Make this 8. Okay, I can use the logo color. That is super important. So go here, click here, and okay, again, I'll show you this step how to choose color. Super important, guys, for the new to Figma or design. Click here, go here in the fill, click here, then this eye drop icon. Click here, and wherever you want, you can see. Okay, so I go to this logo. I like this color. Click here. Okay, so that will be pasted here. Okay, in the same way, let's suppose I have three banner. Okay, I can choose this, like I can duplicate it. You know how to duplicate, right? I showed you in the earlier class also. Click this, press alt or option in the Mac. Now I press alt, left mouse, and like this. Okay, same like this, or you can see control C, control V also. Okay, this one is active, this two is no active. So I'll go here and make it bit gray. Okay, because these are not active, not currently being displayed. I'll group this, control G. Okay, and make this center aligned with the banner. Okay, and this space should be 8. Okay, got this, guys? Let me take few questions now. Yes, you can use. You can use. You can use. Okay. So while sharing, we have to take link from presentation. Yes, Sujit. Yes, Sujit. I'll tell you. I'll tell you, Sujit. That is super important thing. I'll tell you how to share the file link and how to share the proto link. What is the difference between that? Okay, Sujit? Okay. Now, we need categories, right? So these are the categories, and it is super easy to design. You know how to design it, correct? So for this one, I'll go and I'll take a rectangle icon, correct? Like this, the way it's here. So you can see it's 48 cost 48. Okay, and I have corner radius of 8, so I can make it You see, almost same, 48, and I'll make the corner radius of 8. Okay, and here the same way, click here, drag it here. Okay, click here, choose this, and I can choose this icon. Okay, same is done here, you see. And I need icon also, short icon and all this. You can choose image also, or for icon you can go to iconify and you can do it. Okay, for now what I will do is I will take this icon, copy it, I'll go here and paste it. Okay, the moment I paste, you see it's came here. Okay, you see here it's came. Okay, now what I will do, I need to center and align it. Select this, and this. Okay, you see, very basic Figma I'm showing you guys. Please pay attention, it will be super helpful. Now I need text, so I'll go here and I write men. Okay, you see, and here this is same font. So here what we have used, here we have used Inter. So same font we'll use it. See here Inter also, here Inter also. You see everywhere in the button also. See I've used Inter also. Okay. So now what I will do here also, I'll use the Inter. Okay. So I'll go here and write Inter. You see, and here I'll simply center line this. So now this is a group. Again, zoom out, zoom in, select this two, and make center line. Okay, and see the space. 7, I'll make it 8. 4 cross 2. Okay, always remember this. Now this is one section that I have prepared. Okay, if you feel the space is more, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now it is 4. So I can group this again, group selection. Okay, and here I can make it men, and here I can make it banners. Okay, and here this entire thing I can say it hero image. Okay, now you see, let me okay, now in the scroll you see what all we have. We have men, you see, we have banners dot. Naming convention is super important, try to do it. Dot, hero image, and search. Okay, this one all is there in the top. I'll show you how it. Okay, now I have this man. What is the space I wanted from here? Let's keep it 32. Okay, 8 cross 4 is 32, 33, 32, and here, okay, 16. In the same way, you can either control C, control V, it will help, you see, or press alt drag. Okay, here when I was creating this I kept a 33 and 32. Okay, you can keep 32. Okay, in the same way you can create for women, kids, jewelry, and Gen Z. Okay, these will be the sections. You can simply, yeah, you can simply create it with the help of different colors. Okay, what I'll do is I'll simply take this, and I'll take it here, and I'll simply, you see here, select all, make center, make group selection. Okay, you see 32, 16, 16. Okay, guys, this is the section that I have created. Sure, I'll repeat. Okay. Okay. So what I will, yeah. So here, I'll again repeat the step for you all guys. First, let me ungroup. Let me go back. Let me ungroup this also. First, you need to create a rectangle, paste an icon inside the rectangle, group it, write a text, suitable text, select this, and then again group it. Okay. In the same way, create for women, kids, jewelry, and Gen Z. Okay. Select all like this, like this, like this, and like this. Okay. If not center align it, and again click group selection. It will be a same group. Go to the layers, and here write categories. Got it? Sahil? Super easy. Very easy step. Okay, perfect, Sahil. Now, so guys, you are following me, right? We all are set till here, till categories. Everyone is done. I wanted to see yes, guys. Are you able to do it? You can confirm me over chat. Okay, 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 perfect. Color Mintra logo not coming. Okay, Rajiv, I'll tell you how to take that. Yes, 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 yes. Yeah, yeah, you can anytime. This is my idea. This is my idea, Samrit. Okay, so to take Mintra logo, or to take anything. Okay, for example, you see, I've taken an ellipse. Okay, created ellipse. Now I want to color this. I click this. Go to color panel. You see fill. Everyone again. If you need to take any logo, copy any color from other, click this. Go to fill. Here, this dropper icon is there. Click on the dropper icon. You see, wherever you want, you see the color is changing, right? Took the Mintra color, coming again. Let's suppose you want this color, coming. You want, let's suppose this color, coming. Okay, got it. Likewise, you can do it. I'll tell you. No need to just an idea. I'll tell you how to make the components out of it, how to define the color. It's possible in Figma. You need not to choose or pick again and again. You just need to select in the drop down. I'll tell you shortcut way. For now, just for your information, understand all this. Okay. Okay, guys, you got it right. Okay, let me quickly check the chat. Okay, I need this logo. Okay, okay, okay. You can anytime import image, right? Simply copy the image and paste into the Figma file, Rajiv. Okay, you got it, Rajiv, right? Okay, okay, guys. Now, till we are here done, let's move ahead. Okay. So before going into the trending and all this stuff, okay, let's take a break of 15 minutes. Okay. Who have doubts? Okay, please keep ready your doubts. Okay, I'll try to solve, but we have only two sections, trending now and suggestions. Okay, I'll tell you how to deal with those kind of stuff, and then this area, and we will be done with the single page UI prototyping just for the knowledge. Okay, let's take a break and then we'll come after 5 minutes. I'll come after 5 minutes. You guys can take a break of 15 minutes and you can come after a short break. I'll take all your queries meanwhile over the break, and after the break, we'll carry on with this one. And last 40 minutes or 45 minutes, we'll take personal queries, and I'll also tell you how to submit. We'll focus on submitting. Okay, we'll create proto link of each and every one and we'll focus on submitting. Cool, guys? Sounds okay? Okay. Yeah, sure, we'll discuss. Paraj, we'll discuss. Sure. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. So I'll launch the poll. Okay, I'll launch the poll. So you can submit your feedback. I've launched the poll. Okay, and let's take a break of 15 minutes. I'll soon join for a few queries. Okay. 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 I'm available for quick queries till the time other guys come in. So anyone is having any query? Yeah, Paraj. Please raise your hand. I'll unmute you. Yeah, Pushpa. I'll take you after Paraj. Okay, Paraj. I'm unmuting you. Yeah, Paraj. You can go on.
Hello.
Yeah, Paraj.
Yeah, actually, this is something that I have to discuss with you in person.
Oh, okay.
Uh,
No worries, Paraj.
yeah.
So, yeah, so there are many folks, Paraj, who connects with me over Slack. They send me the
Okay.
voice note. Okay.
Okay.
So I can also reply you over. Will that work?
Yeah, it does. However, this is something which is little urgent, so I thought, if possible, we can have a
Today,
call.
today only. Today only.
Yeah.
After the session, we can connect
Sure.
over
Yeah.
Slack.
Yeah. Sure. Sure. No problem.
Okay. Perfect.
Yeah. Yeah. No
Thanks.
problem.
Thanks,
Thank you.
Paraj. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. No worries. So now, Pushpa, we can go ahead, Pushpa. You can raise your hand. Sahil, okay, okay. Pushpa, uh, okay. Let me take Sahil first. After that, I'll take you, Pushpa. Yeah,
Am
Sahil.
I audible to you, sir?
Yeah, Sahil. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening.
So, sir, the interface that I'm seeing right now, the size, the mobile size that you have taken, screen size. So,
Hmm.
this is the only screen size that that we have to submit, or we can
No, no,
increase
no, no.
the
N-
size for the
Whatever.
home
No,
page.
you can play with the size. So,
Okay, we can scroll
basically,
it
yeah,
down as well, right? If we want to
yeah,
go
yeah. There,
downwards,
there are
instead of
many. There are many. There are many. So, size. You are talking about the height, right?
yeah, exactly the height.
Yeah. So height basically for mobile, what happens is there is a fixed height and width. Okay.
Yeah,
Fixed height. I'm talking about the frame. Okay. For
yeah,
example, Sahil, I'll tell you. You think like this. Okay. So this is a mobile. Okay. So
yeah.
in the first glance, whatever the things visible will be here only, right? Here only.
Mm-hmm.
Correct.
Yeah.
Post this, whatever is there, that will come in the scroll. Okay. So
Yes.
this portion is the real estate, and all this where which is hidden, that will come in the scroll. Okay, but you will design till here only. Till here you will design. Okay, and you
Okay.
keep in the scroll. I'll tell you. I'll show you. That is there in the module itself. I'll show you how to do it. Don't worry.
Okay.
I'll come to
Okay.
that
So
today only.
we can play around with the height. No, we can do
Anytime.
that.
Anytime.
Oh,
That is
just
the key concept.
for this module for submitting this
Yeah.
project, portion project. I'm
Yeah,
just
yeah,
talking
you
about this.
can. And on general note also, so think in that way, like mobile. So for example, there is a web application. Okay, in the web application, we have one content, two content, three content, and four content. Okay, how they are going to wrap in the mobile? They will come one below each other, right? So height will increase. Think in that perspective. So height is the key player in the mobile design. Okay, so you need
Yeah.
to work on the height itself. So you can play. No worries. I'll talk you.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you so
Okay.
much.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect. Yeah, Pushpa, you can go ahead till the time other folks come. Pushpa, you there? Okay. I can't see your hand, Pushpa. We can take Pushpa like if. Okay, let me unmute you, Pushpa. If the question is long, we can take at the end. Otherwise, we'll solve right away. I'm unmuting you.
Hello.
Yeah, Pushpa,
Good
you can go ahead.
evening. Yeah, good evening, sir. Sir, actually,
Good
I
evening.
got
Good evening.
into the correct frame now, and
Uh
I
huh.
was able to make that 1616 border.
Uh huh.
Using the ruler, but
Uh
I do
huh.
not know the topmost. Where do we get the preset like iPhone for iPhone 16 Pro Max? You already
I'll show
had
you
it
right
in
away.
your frame. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I'll show you right away. I'll take two questions quickly. One for you and the this one also, Sahil also. Okay, so
Okay,
please
okay.
pay attention. Okay,
Yes.
yeah. Okay, so push for making mute. Okay, so so guys, let's get started with the remaining things. Okay, we'll make it detailed one also, and I also see like few of them are thinking the pace is a bit faster. So very humbly, I'm saying, guys, like this is the slowest. Like I'm going pixel by pixel. This is the slowest thing, as it is a mixed batch having a novice learner also, like a person who is very new to the UX also, and advanced folks are also there, experienced folks are also there. So I need to take care of everyone. So it is very it is bit difficult for me to always go in that slow way. Otherwise other might feel bit this one. So no worries, I'll try to keep up the pace, and I'll try to bit slower also. But just requesting you guys, you need to bit more focus. Those are like feel like it is bit fast. So I just wanted to tell you that this is the slowest I am going. So I request you to please pay attention and try to cope up with me, because going forward when we'll deep dive into the research part, in the prototyping part, more advanced thing is going to come. Right now whatever we are learning, it is very basic. So guys, please try to cope up with me, and practice and practice in your free time, so that going forward when we go ahead with different modules, you feel comfortable. Okay, so being said that, let's quickly solve these two things. Okay, so first now, let me share my screen again, and let me go. My screen is visible. Okay, perfect. So now one question was related to height, and one question is related to the screen sizes. So here, Pushpa, if you go, this is a frame. Okay, click on this frame. Here you have multiple things. Okay, phone, tablet, desktop, presentation, watch, paper, social media, Figma, community, and archive. Now, as we are working on the mobile, okay, mobile application we are designing, correct? So I'll go to phone. Here in phone, I have many things. You see, iPhone 16, whatever you wanted to go ahead. For example, you wanted to go ahead with iPhone 16 Pro Max. Click here. Okay, you see, it has created a frame for me. You see. Now, if you zoom out, zoom in, you see here. Okay, it has created. Okay, and the size is 440 cross 956. Will work here. Hope I have answered your question. Okay. Okay. Hope we all are back. You can confirm me over chat. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. 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 Perfect. I'll tell you, Mahesh. When you preview, it's showing on dark mode. Okay. Let's take this, Mahesh, at the end. Please remind me at the end. I'll sit with you. Okay. That's okay, Mahesh. I'll tell you. Okay, perfect. Okay, and Sahil, I'll tell you about the scrolling part also while working here. Okay, so let's carry on. So now, what we need to, okay, let me go to page one. Okay, I'm in page two. Okay, so again, I'll reiterate here all the uh, here we have all the, you can see. Okay, 1 second. Yeah, here we have all the layers you can see in the left. Okay, and as I told you, it is super important for us to understand the layer and renaming. Otherwise, in the big projects, it is very difficult for you to track the stuffs. Okay, now being said that, let's continue. So now, what could be the next thing? Okay, so next thing can be, after category we will show some trendy thing in the in the application, some new style, new ones. There are many things. Okay, for now, let me take the this design. Okay, I'll show you. 1 second. Yes. Mhm. Okay, so for now, let me take the this one. Okay, trending now. So I have made it a frame because frame always works. Let me copy it and I'll show you how you can design it. So here, and Sahil, please pay attention here. And those who feel like how to work with the scroll or how to work with a height thing, maybe on the horizontal side or maybe on the vertical side. Okay, so please pay attention here. Super important again. So now I need to go for trending now. Okay, parallelly you can open the thing in your open the application, some fashion app, maybe Mintra or something in your mobile, and you can compare how we are designing. So now we need trending now. Okay, so we'll take, you see here. Okay, if you see here, so we need, what we need is, we need one trending now, this thing. Okay, let me, okay, now here, and let me just align it. Okay, now here I need trending now. Okay, trending, trending now. Okay, now here I'll control A, go here. You see, I'll take enter because only one font is allowed. Font family I'm talking about. Okay, this is font family, and I want it, let's suppose, a medium. Okay, and here I'll, what I will do is, I will make it trending now, and also I want see now. So see now, whatever I can see more or see now, whatever it is, you see here, I want this see more. This is a link button, means if I click it, multiple thing will open. Okay, I'll take the question after some time. Yes, you can use Ammu. Offers instead of trending now. Yes, yes, yes. Feel free. I'm just giving an idea. Okay. Now I want here. Okay, I'll go here and I'll take this as it is a link. Okay. And what I will do are the same thing. Okay. You see, align it, group it, and again I told you 8. Okay. So here to here, I've kept 32. So here to here, I'll keep 16, let's suppose. Okay. And after this, what I need? I need one rectangle. Okay, you see, like this. So we call it card. What we call it? CARD, card. in the application. So here what I will do, again I'll take a rectangle. Okay, let me take a rectangle of this size. So this is 176 cross 255. Okay, so I'll take 176 cross 255. I've taken this much of size, you see. And here I'll take some round corner. I told you in the last class also, you can drag from here also, or you can go corner radius and you can put, let's suppose, let me put 16. Again, remember 4, okay, or 8. 8 is looking better. Soon you will get to know why it is better, how it is better, and all this thing. Okay, in module 2 and module 3, let me keep it 8. And here, what we can do is, I can copy the thing, like here I can see, okay, and here it is also aligned, you see, with the margin, and here it is 18. Okay, so what we can do is, we can increase 1 and we can increase 1. Okay, and here same thing, 16, 16, 16. You guys got it? Kept 16 here, gutter 16, and again margin 16. Okay, now here what we need is this area. Okay, I have written text, you can write now. Simply alt or copy, come here. What I am doing now, I'm again making a frame. Okay, and in the top, see, if you see here, there is no corner radius, there is no corner radius. Okay, the more you observe, the more you practice, the more experienced or good you will become at the Figma. Okay, so now you see here, I need top 0, I'll make it 0, I'll make it 0. Okay, and here it's already 8, and let's suppose this one. Okay, and what I want, white. So I can make white like this also, and I can pick from here also. Now you will see here one thing, you might see here some shadow is there, but here there is no shadow. So I told you in the last class, go here in the effects. Okay, you see drop shadow, click here, and you can see, I'll go here, black, and I just reduce the opacity. Okay, you see, I'll, okay, I can see, okay, this is fine, this is fine, this is fine. I can make this opacity. So the moment I make the opacity, you see it looks better. Okay, I'll copy this, alt or option in the Mac, come here, okay, and I'll paste it here. Simple, guys, got it? And I'll take this, you know how to write it, simply write in different text, and you can paste it here. Okay, now you see I'm here 10 and 13. What I can do, I can take 16, 17, oh, okay, 12, I can take 11. Okay, here. Now you see, if I go and check the preview, okay, let me first take one image. Okay, let me take this image. Simply you can, what you can do is, you can come here, zoom in, and here control V. The moment you put control V, you see here, okay, you can mask it, select this, and if you go here, you see it's masked now. Okay, so here you simply do like this, you see it's masked now. Okay, masking is bit tricky, but I hope you got the concept what I have done now. Here you can see, you can mask it anytime. So you see how it is working. Okay, it is masked now. So what I will do here, I'll go and I'll take this where I want. So I'll see, okay, let's make it 12, 4 again. Okay, you see, now it is 14. So what I can do is I can come here, and from here I can make, or from here also you can make it. Okay, now you see here that is 12, and it is now masked. Now I'll select the image, control I told you on that day, and you can simply mask it. You see, okay, a simple one. Don't get confused with technical terms. It's pretty easy. You'll be able to do it by yourself. For now, it is clear. Okay, the way we did it. Card, a simple design, super helpful. Okay, Nikita, Priyanka. Okay, I'll repeat. I'll repeat in here. So now, you think like this: one frame, two frame. Let me take this out first. Okay, and you think like this. So what I have done here is, you see, I'll tell you. You see, like this I have done. So I'll keep it here, okay, because it is upper layer, and here I simply drag it till here. Okay, now here you see this corner. So what I will do here is, I'll make this 0. I'll make this 0. Okay, now you see, those are two different, this one and this one. Okay, now at this one we need image. I have this image. Control C. Okay, come here, control select this, control V. Now it came in the frame. You see, I can drag it. I'll show you. You see, I can drag it. It's coming in the frame. You see, it's coming in the frame. See, if I go outside, see how what is happening. You see what is happening. It's going outside. Okay, it's frame. How you can finalize this? Click on the layer, and you see this is a frame fashion app, and this is here. Okay, you see this rectangle. Okay, this is inside a frame. Got it? Now what I will do, it is difficult for me to do masking is actually bit confusing. So what you can do, select the image. You see, I'm selecting the, make it short, zoom in, select this, select the layer, shift, select. Now both are selected. Here you see, you see this ellipse, use mask, click it. Now it is masked. Okay, now select this image, and the moment you drag, you see, okay, you need to make the image bigger. Okay, and you will be able to do it. And now what I will do is, I will copy this thing, text from here, and I'll place it here. Okay, you see this red line means, you see there is a red line coming in Figma. You see there is a red line coming. When you do it, you see, means it is aligned. Okay, now it is aligned. You see, this, see, now it is aligned. Okay, so here I'll again check 15, 18. I'll make it 16, 11, 11. That's fine. Okay, so in this way we can simply design. Now I'll preview it. Okay, go here, resize device to 100%. Okay, you see here, I can easily preview this. Let me take to I'll preview this on this one. What? 1 second. Let me new share Chrome tab. Okay, you guys can see. Now click here outside. Here few things I tell you. So this is, someone asked me, sir, which proto link? So once you click on the presentation and go outside, here you see share prototype. Click here. This is the link which you are going to submit in the portal, share in the portal. Okay, this is the link which you need to click on the copy here. Click here, you will be able to copy the link. Okay, I'll tell you in detail also. Now here I am the person. Okay, this is the full screen mode, and this is the here fixed size, responsive, and all these things. No need to take much tension. Click here. Okay, you can again click back here. Okay, and here what you can do is you can see here. Okay, and easily you will be able to uh, see the preview of this one. Okay, so now if you see, I'll even make you more larger for that so that you guys can have a better preview. One second. Okay, no worries. Okay, now you can see how our application is looking like. One second, guys. Now you can see. Okay, you see. So it is giving a feel that it is a mobile application, and you can here see it very easily how the things are being arranged. If you feel here, okay, something is missing, some spacing, you can see the full banner here, you can see different categories here, all this stuff. Okay, being said that, let me take you guys to the Figma file, okay, where we were working. So let me share that. So here by this preview, you will be able to see the entire thing. You see here, you see the scroll. I'll tell you how to do that. For now, just for an idea, I'll tell you. Okay, how to do that. Now let's quickly jump to the file there where we were working. Okay, so hope you guys are pretty much clear on the Figma, how we are doing the things. Okay, now the thing comes here, the Sahil's question. Here the space is not enough. So what we will do, we will, here space is not enough. So these are the frames that we are going to design. Okay, so let me take this out. Okay, and I'll take this out. Okay, and I'll design here. Or what you can do is, or what you can do is, the size of the real device is 874. From here you can drag a ruler. You see, this is the ruler, and you can click here, and you can drag this like till what extent you want it. You can drag this, and in the same way, what you can do is you can design. I'll just copy it. Okay, in the same way. Okay, you see, now it is 16 for 16. Okay, and let's make it group so that we can calculate the position. It's 32. Okay, and from here to here it was trending. Now 12 we have kept. Okay, let's select this, and let's make it 12, and from here let's make it 12 again. 1 2 3, or maybe the new section we can make it 24. Okay, and here what we can do is we can make this, for example, recommendations. Okay, so we are recommending the things to user. Okay, and here what we can what we are actually recommending. So for example, here everything is same. Just let me copy it. The same process I'm doing. You see, done. Here, what I need to do is, here if you see, okay, here I just go here, and here I'll make it 8 8. That will work. You see here, okay, it should not be like this. So here, if you see, inside the inside this one, if you go here, we have 0 and make it 0. Okay, and if you go here, and if you see here, this is the rectangle, this is the rectangle, and here it is 8. Select this, make it 0, you will be able to do it. You see. Okay, so whenever you get confused, one very important thing, whenever you get confused with which layer is selected, always go here in the layers panel. Okay, click here, that will be get easily selected. Okay, and here also what I can do is, guys, I can choose this, I can come here, I can select this. You see, and it's pretty much done. Now what I need a this one, bottom bar, we call it bottom bar. So home is selected, I'll go here, and you know how to, I've already showed you earlier also how you can design this. So it's simple, it's pretty much simple. Okay, you know, you need to take a rectangle, put some shadow, icon, and this thing. That's it. So a single page prototype, here I'll go here, and I'll make this 32. Okay, and 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 now go here. My height is still here only, so your device is this much. Before that, what we will do is, for scroll to come, so what all area we need a scroll now. Okay, so whenever you are working, 1 second, let me take few chat. Okay, okay, no worries. Perfect. Okay, yeah, okay. So what are the area which we feel, okay, that should not be scrolled? So what could be that areas? That areas could be this one, it will not get scrolled. Okay, this we want stick at the top, this also we want to stick at the top, rest all can be in the scroll. Okay, let me delete this first. Now here, click here, this is my snack bar, go in the top, it has fill, go to the prototype, and you see fixed in the place, no scrolling, it's already there. Here you see this one, fixed already. Here, fixed, I need to make it fixed. And before that, what you can do is, you can group it. Let's make it a frame. Okay, select all, click here, and frame selection, it become a frame. And now I'll give a fill, I'll tell you why. Okay, now go here, no scrolling, fixed this one. Now rest all will be in the scroll, right, except this one. So this again, no scrolling, right? You all know how app works. So here I'll select all this, click right, make frame selection. Okay, and here go here, the moment I click on the clip content, frame selection. Okay, you see the option is clip content. Okay, once you click it here, you can make it scrollable. Now what you will do is, this area, just press control or command, and you can clip it, you see, wherever you want. Is this portion clear? Confusing? Okay, Ria. Okay, 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 Ria. I'll again do this, no worries. Let me go control Z, control Z, control Z. Okay, now you see here, Now this is a frame, this is a frame, this is a frame. All are frame. Okay. What you do, select all, whatever you want in scroll area. Okay. You see, I've selected all. You see, from here, from the top, I've selected all. You see, okay. Once you select it, make a frame. To make a frame, click right, frame selection. The moment you click frame selection, it is now a frame. You see, it's a frame. Okay. Once you make a frame, in the right, you see here you will have clip content. Okay. Click on here. Check this. Now in the bottom, press Control or Command. You can make a clip. Ria, am I clear now? Ria, I think I'm clear. Okay. Now you can confirm me over chat. Now, okay. Yes, I have. Okay, thanks. Yeah, I hope I'm clear. So now take this up. Okay. And this is the bottom line, right? And this is the clipped content you can see. Okay. And this clipped content, where it will go, till the bottom, right, till the screen ends. And here go to prototype, and here make vertical, so it will scroll vertical. If I keep horizontal, it will go horizontal. It helps in, it will work in web application, means desktop application. And both direction means, I'll tell you, when we create table, so table is horizontal scroll also and vertical scroll also, right? So there, but here we need vertical. Okay. So what is the scroll behavior? Scroll with parent and vertical. Okay. And now what we will do, we'll simply click here, go to design mode, and we'll simply do it here. Now if you see this, okay, let me preview it. Okay, click it, preview it. Okay, now you can see it is scrolling, and I'll show you in the this also. Let me show that. Okay. Okay, Ria, I'll again explain. Don't worry, Ria. I'll again explain. Don't worry. I'll again explain. Don't worry. Okay. Okay. Can you guys see? Okay. It's been scrolling. You got that feeling, right? You see, now you see. You got that feeling? How it works? I can scroll, snack bar in the top, deliver, search, all this. I made this area scroll, and in the bottom you see all this option is there. More, then my cart, categories. Okay, you can see all this. Okay, I hope you guys got some idea how to design mobile application. Okay, now I'll open this forum for quick questions, and the last 15 minutes, right now it's 8:20. Okay, let's sit on this half an hour for all the queries where you stuck, and last 15 minutes I'll share you how to submit on the portal. Will that okay? I'll connect with you, Ria. No worries. Okay. Yes, Anubhav, you're right. Should be longer. No worries, Rahul. You can reconnect. I'll connect with you. Okay. I'll open this forum now for questions. Where you stuck? If you submit this for this course and project, okay, that's okay. This is a single page UI prototype, okay, where we have trending now, we have recommendations, we have bottom bar, we have categories, we have search and everything, discoverable, findable, and personalization also. Okay, questions now. I can quickly unmute. Okay, Hilda, I'll unmute you first. Yeah,
Okay.
Hilda, please go ahead.
Yes. Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Yes, I have two questions. Number one, when you were teaching the scrolling, so after Clip Connect, so you did with the Alt, you scrolled it up, or it was the
Control,
Control?
control or command. Press
Control.
control,
Uh-huh.
press control, and
Okay.
then with a right one, so left one, press control. With the
Okay.
right one, drag it where you want to set
Okay.
it. Okay. And
Okay.
once you set the screen size, actual screen
Hmm.
size, that area will come under the control.
Understood. Understood. And
Understood,
one
huh?
more, yes, one more thing. I prepared the app without the scrolling thing. So can I submit it? Is that okay?
Yes,
Okay.
that's okay.
Okay.
That's fine.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yeah. And next one, guys, quick guys. There are so many folks. Anyone is having any doubt? No doubt? Ria? The scrolling thing. Okay. Dark mode on preview. Okay, Mahesh. Mahesh, you can raise your hand. I'll unmute you. I'll again. Yeah, scrolling. I'll again. I'll do it. Yeah, Anubhav, you can. My okay. I
Yeah,
can take you Anubhav after. Yeah, Mahesh. Right, Mahesh.
yeah. So
Yeah, Mahesh. Mhm. You can share
my
your screen,
background.
Mahesh.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm not able to share it. It's allowing multiple presenters.
Okay, you are not allowed to share. Okay. Mm, okay. Uh,
Or I can connect on Slack if you.
you can. How many person can share this? One person can share it. Okay, 1 second. Okay, try now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me share it. Okay, now I've stopped sharing. You can share.
To change my settings, I'll connect back again.
Okay, no worries. No worries. Okay, uh, folks who all have some questions or some queries, you can raise your hand. I'll pick one by one. All of you. You can raise your hand meanwhile. I'll again showcase the yeah, I'll again showcase the scrolling part. No worries in that. Questions you can we can take now. Yeah, masking. Okay. I'll show the masking and I'll show the scrolling part. Okay. Till the time okay, let me take the chat. Anubhav. Okay, Anubhav. Okay, Mahesh, once you are done with the setting, you let me know. Okay, I'll connect with you. So Anubhav, 1 second. Yeah, Anubhav, please go
Hi,
ahead.
hi, hi, sir. Can
Hi,
you hear
hi.
me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Uh, so मेरा question was when we are clipping the content. So अभी
Mm-hmm.
आपने vertically दिखाया है clip करके scroll वाला part. Let's say कि
Okay.
उस पूरे content में middle में there's a part where we are also scrolling horizontally, not vertically. So then we make two different frames for it या फिर वो within same frames में काम चल जाता है?
टू फ्रेम टू फ्रेम्स में काम चलेगा वो बट लाइक इफ दैट इज इन बिटवीन so थोड़े से figma issues will be there, so there are certain limitations on figma also. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to overlap. So जो horizontal वाला है, that horizontal thing you need to make it overlap the vertical one. So vertical one will scroll top to bottom, okay, the way you have given, and horizontal will go left to right. You need to do that for previewing. You need to do that, and how it is being behaved, you need to check that, okay, on figma itself. You can't predict the behavior earlier, how it is going to behave, because it totally depends upon the content, the frame that you are selecting, and how figma is going to do that. But always try to avoid certain situations, because that is so rare. But whatever the horizontal thing is coming in between the vertical thing, for mobile application I am talking about, that should majorly come inside a major frame, that a parent frame will be there. Okay, so that entire frame will scroll from top to down or top to bottom, and some part may scroll from left to right or horizontally. You got it right? Or should I
Yes, but I'm like, हाँ, yeah, please can you also show this? And also it's like तो अगर आप तीन सेक्शन में डिवाइड कर लेते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल we have top
Hmm.
section, we have mid, and then we have bottom. The top and the bottom is like वो पूरा ऊपर से नीचे scroll हो रहा है. The mid section
Hmm.
is connected to the this thing only as a parent, समझ लो पूरा पूरा connected है क्योंकि वो भी उसके साथ ऊपर नीचे scroll होगा. But then let's say कि बीच में
Hmm.
कुछ jacket section आ गया which is going from left to right also. Then it's like three different frames. Top वाला frame अलग,
Okay.
mid frame अलग,
Okay.
then ये वाला frame अलग.
Okay. So मैं एक काम करता हूँ मैं so let's do this, guys. So I'll share my screen on Figma. Okay, and let's cover this part, scrolling part and masking part. Most of your queries will get resolved.
Okay, thank you, sir.
No worries, no worries. I'll take a simple example. You will understand, guys. It is a it's not a difficult, but we will take this in detail in module 3. But for your understanding, I'll take now. Okay, and also masking. So let me take iPhone. I have taken this. Okay, now guys. Okay, think this as a real. Okay, space. So let me take for example, let me take this. Okay, so you will understand better. Okay, now here, let's suppose inside this we have few frames. Okay, frame 1 and frame 2, frame 3, frame 4, frame 5, frame 6. Okay, understand like this, and then frame 7. Okay, and let's take one more so that you can understand better. Okay, so this all frame is going to come. Okay, so inside that frame I wanted to scroll, okay, and here, okay, you think like this. So this is one. So maybe at this position there is a horizontal scroll also. This is a vertical, and there is horizontal scroll also. So let's suppose it's like this. Okay, let me check how it behaves. Okay, like this. So first thing first. Okay, I want this to scroll horizontally like this, and this to scroll vertically. Okay, before that, let's complete this with one masking, so that guys having masking issues they can clear. So whenever you are going to mask, you will either mask image or some icons or something. Okay, so for mask, so let's suppose I need to mask this image with this shape. What I will do, you will first create any image or copy some image. So let me go here, and let me take, this is rectangle, this is image. Okay, I'll take this image, I'll come here, paste here. This is the image. You see, it's an image sign. The image symbol is there. Image icon is there. I need to mask it here. Okay. Please be very careful. So always keep the image which you are going to mask at the upper layer. Okay. So this is the below layer and this is the upper layer, right? So now you need to mask this to select this one, then press shift, select this one, the layer. Now it is selected. Here you see mask, use as a mask. The moment you see it's masked, means now it is masked, you see, and the symbol is like this. Now you see this one is the mask group, this one. Okay, you see this. Now what you will do, select the image and you need to adjust, right? So now I have selected the image, press shift, and you can increase it. Okay, now this is, you see, 287.102, 287.102. You got it. And once you wanted to adjust, you adjust like this, you see, with the arrow mark you can adjust. Guys having masking doubts, am I clear? Simple. Yeah, these are the layers, guys. Okay, so now you see I have masked it. Okay, now let me quickly make the scroll part, which is most of the users confusion. Okay, so you see, click here, here, here. Okay, make it a frame. Okay, I made a frame, you see here, I made a frame. Go to prototype. Here I want horizontal, right, from here to here, and I'll adjust it later on. Okay, now I'll go here, press control, and you can easily clip it like this. We will do it together. Okay, now first this one frame, and now select this, select this, select this, select this, select this, and this frame. Okay, and you see here what is happening. Let me take this insert once again, and I'll make frame for this one entire thing. Okay, I'll go here, and you see, the moment I did it, okay, now here if you see, I have two frames, you see, and a master frame. So for iPhone 16 Pro, this is the master frame, frame 3. So I can write it for your understanding. Master, this is horizontal, and okay, okay, and here vertical. Okay, for the vertical one, again I'll give vertical scrolling. Okay, and here, as I've clipped it, I'll take it here till here. You see? Okay, this is my frame. You can see here horizontal, and I'll make it, okay, with the control. Okay, with the control, I'll make it here. And this one, what I want, again vertical, I'll go here until make it here. Okay, now let me check how it behaves. You see it's behaving, but here it's behaving like this. Okay, and here it's overlapping here. It's overlapping here, and it's behaving like this. Okay, here that image is coming, it's behaving like this, it's behaving like this, and here it's behaving like this. Okay, now what you can do is go here, and it is inside vertical, right? So take this and put it here, and now preview. You see, now it is moving with that one, and this one inside it. Okay, guys, is this clear now? You got this, a concept? Yeah, Anubhav, I'll unmute you. Got this? Oh, I got it. Okay, perfect. Okay, okay, okay. Any more questions, guys? Yes, horizontal inside vertical. Yes. Yeah, okay, Ria, perfect. Okay, clear. No. Vundavali, don't drag like that. You need to select from layer. Clear. Okay, guys, I might have missed few questions. You can raise. I'll unmute Anubhav. Yeah, Anubhav, please go on.
No, it's all clear. मैं समझ गया अब. Thank you so
Okay,
much.
समझ गया ना? Thanks.
Yes, sir.
Super easy. You need to try, guys. You need to try always in Figma. Okay, you'll get the answer. Okay, any other queries? Am I missed by anyone? Guys, any questions? Okay. Okay. Now I wanted, like, who all have completed the screen design? Thanks, Erika. Who all have completed the screen dark mode? One second. Mahesh, right? Mahesh, you are there? One dark mode question. Mahesh, you are there? Mahesh? Yeah. You go. I'll mute you. One second. Let's complete your question. Then, yeah. Mahesh, you got that dark mode
Yeah, I
setting?
found the issue. I think I put a gradient which is not showing up on the preview. I'm trying to change it.
Okay. You got it, right?
Yeah, got it. Thank you.
Okay. Perfect. Thanks, Mahesh. Okay. So now I just wanted to see how many of us, like you can raise your hand. I just wanted to see in the chat, raise your hand, kind of like whoever done the UI designing or submitted in the LMS portal. I'll help you. Okay, Hilda submitted. You can raise your hand. Who all are done with the either submitted on the LMS portal? You can raise your hand, Kevin, so that okay. Ria, Hilda done. Ria done. Going to some. No, I okay. Dr. Priyanka, no. Okay. Priyanka, no. Okay, Priyanka, I've done about 100%. Will submit today. Okay, Paraj. Okay. Rest. Okay. Not submitted. Okay, no worries. We'll do the submission. Pushpa, no, submitted. Okay. This is my own design. Oh, no worries. That's fine. Not submitted. Okay. Okay. So as I can see, few of them have not uh, uh, done the UI design. Okay. Lower hand. let me, okay, lower hand. Okay, Priyanka, I can see. Okay, Priyanka, like those who have not done the UI design, I'll sit with them after showing this presentation of how to submit it. Okay, I'll sit with you. Whatever the yeah, Sarika, we'll submit it together now. Those who have not submitted will submit it together now. I'll show you how to submit it. So I'm talking about Priyanka and other learners who have not done it. So we'll sit together after 10 minutes or 15 minutes. You show me your doubts. I'll try to explain. You seek some extension, okay, or by today EOD you can submit. Okay, let me first share how to submit it. Okay, now being the UI design is ready with you. Okay, now what you need to do is I'll share my screen again. Okay, first and foremost you need to come here. This is your prototype environment. Okay, prototype environment. Click on the share prototype, copy this link. Okay, now you have copied this link. Now let's come to LMS port. Okay, let me open. Oh god, it's logged out for me. Okay, let me log in, guys. Okay, now I've copied the link. You all know, right? Now here, come here, course one, go to continue learning. Okay, here I'm here, right? Designing a fashion app UI single page prototype design course and project. Click on the submit. Okay, the moment you click on the submit, I have few things: write up, screenshots, source code, links. Okay, so first and foremost, put link here. Control V. This is my Figma link. Okay, you can check this also at your end. Okay, so once I click here, what I need to do is, this is the Figma link. First thing. Second, you need to make a write up. How you can do? So either you can create a PDF, doc, PPT, JPG, PNG, or zip. So better is you can create a Word file, okay, a document file, or maybe a PPT. For example, I'll show you that also. One second, let me open a okay, no worries, let me open a let me open a okay, no worries, I'll show you. One second. So let me create that for you. I'll, I'll do that also. Yes, I'll do that also. So as we all are, very well equipped with the Figma, you guys can create PNG stuffs, PDF files in the Figma itself. So guys, try to use Figma as much as possible. That will help you out. Okay. So I'm at Figma. Let me create one page. Okay. Page 3. I think you can see my screen. Now here, I've taken one frame. Okay. And here I have written write up. Okay. In the write up, basically, what you need to write is, for example, oh, sorry, my bad. Okay. I have came here, and in the write up you need to write what was your thought process. So go here, or the research that you have done. Okay, so you can write uh, I have something like this: I have done bit research on trending fashion app and created one mobile page, UI design, something like this. You got it right. And once you have written your thought process that you have done here, okay, you need to click here, go to export, and here we have PNG, JPG, everything. Click JPG or PNG and just export it. The moment export it, now it get downloaded here. Okay, you can see. So the moment you export, it gets downloaded here, and that same thing. Okay, that same file you need to upload here. Okay, write up. Write up is clear, guys. Ria, you can do the test. Okay, before the second module, you can do the test. Before the second module starts, you can do the test. Okay. 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 So that write-up part is clear to everyone. You need to export one PDF or PNG file, and you need to write your research, or you need to write your thought process. Okay. Now, screenshots, simply take screenshot of Figma, that the screen that you have designed, or export the entire the way I have just now shown you. Okay, how you can export. Select the artboard, select the frame, the entire design as a JPG. You need to do that. Source code is nothing. Source code is basically when the development and all these stuffs come. For the source code, you can simply attach the same screenshot. So screenshot and source code is same. No worries. And here in the additional remark, you can write worked on the Vintra app and explored many things like this and all this stuff. Also find the proto link below like this. Okay, come here, control V, you can paste it and submit it. So in the write up, create any doc file the way you have submitted to me, the eBay and all this thing, in very short, not very long. Okay, your concept, your thought process. In upcoming modules, you can your research. A screenshot, you can take a screenshot of or maybe you can export the frame that you have designed. Okay, source code, again the same screenshot you can paste. Link, you can paste your Figma link, the proto link I'm talking about. And additional remark, you can write some additional if you want and paste it and submit the project. Okay, hope this submission is clear to everyone. Super easy. Got it, guys? So those who have submitted in advance, thank you very much. Keep the momentum up, and in upcoming module, do the same stuff. And those who have completed the UI design or about to complete the UI design or is planning to complete by EOD, you can follow the same step that I have showed right now. Okay, and you can submit it. Okay, guys? Okay. You can submit now. Okay? If you are done, you can submit now, or by end of the day, you can submit. Okay? Perfect. Now let me quickly jump to the learners who are stuck. So first, I wanted to unmute Dr. Priyanka. Priyanka, you are there. You can raise your hand. And those who are stuck, yeah, sure, Priyanka. And those who are stuck, I'm unmuting you, Priyanka. I'll take one on one from now onwards.
All doubts are clear now.
Oh, okay. So you'll be able to submit the project, right?
Sir, can we do tomorrow? As I have given the message on Slack.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Okay, okay, okay.
Sure, sir.
No worries, Priyanka. But try to be on the day. It helps you. And for any issues, you can reach out to LMS. Okay, no worries,
Okay,
Priyanka.
sir. I will try to do by today, late evening. But
Yeah, no worries, no worries. Okay, thanks, Priyanka. Thank you. Thanks for your support. So those who have has some issues or have some confusion, you can reach out to me, you can reach out to your LSM. Okay. And you can seek extension, you can take approval, and you can submit. No worries in that. But please be informed. And going forward, try to be in pace, because what happens is, if you do it today or within the class, your concepts will be much clear, and the doubts that are coming in your way, you can easily tackle those doubts. Later on, you might miss it and having some issues. Okay. So try to complete on the same day, or on or before the module end day. Or if need some extension, okay, you can reach out to LSM, tell them, they will assist you, and accordingly you can submit. Okay, guys. Ammu, next Saturday. uh okay, next Saturday, Ammu. Today is next Saturday. Oh, uh Ammu, if there is some issues at your end, you can connect with me. Okay. Otherwise, you can connect with LSM for to seek extension. Okay. Okay, Ammu. Connect with the LSM. No worries. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Someone is saying like status bar is not showing. So check whether that this is in the frame or not. No worries, Ammu. No worries, Ammu. You can seek extension from the LSM and you can do. No worries, Pushpa. Uh, that's fine. Uh, that's okay. Hope you like the session. Amu, you got it right. Rajshri, you can try see whether your IF status bar is not is in the frame. If it's outside the frame, then it will not show. Okay, sure. Thanks, Pushpa. Thanks, Amu. No worries, Pushpa. We have enough time. Enough time. We'll practice. This is just a basic that I covered today. No, Anubhav, it will not get closed. It will not get closed. Okay. You just need to connect with the LSM. Okay. And seek some extension. Okay. Next time, try to complete on or before the last day of the session. Okay. Okay. Any okay, guys, any other queries, doubts, anything? By end of the day means like try to complete today after the class. 11:59. Yeah, right. Try to complete today. No worries, no worries. Try to complete today. Okay. It's better. No worries. That free version is fine, Pushpa. It's better to be like in the same class. You can solve your doubts. You can ask queries. Okay. Okay. Any other question? Anyone? Did I miss anyone? Any doubts or something? Anyone? Clear for me. Yeah, Pushpa, sure. Okay. Keyboard shortcut, switch layer up and down. Okay. 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 We can. Yeah, Paraj. Sure. Sure. I'll connect with you over Slack. Okay. Test. Okay, so that test is there in the LSM. I'll show. So there is one test. Okay, guys. So this is a test basically. Okay, so there are three attempts for you to complete this test, but try to be more accurate and try to complete in less attempt. So what you need to do is, these are basically the questions for your these are conceptual questions, like how your concepts are being developed. Okay, where are you in terms of concept that we actually covered in this module, so you can test yourself like how far you have reached, like in design thinking fundamentals and UI UX design, what all we have covered, like you are clear on that. So to test your knowledge, these test is there. Okay, so it is always recommended that before the next module starts, so next module starts on next Saturday, coming Saturday, right, on 17th. So before 17th you should complete this. Got it? Okay, got it, sir. Okay, so okay, okay, so now mhm. Okay, perfect, Pushpa. Okay, 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 perfect. Yes sir, yes sir. Okay, I'm just taking few questions, guys. Quick recap, I'll do it. Layers up and down shortcuts. Layers up and down. Okay, so basically, Mahesh, uh, what you can do is, you can put command and there is an arrow bracket icon. Okay, you can use this command or control up and down. So if you go and use, I'll share you 1 second, and then we'll do quick recap and we'll take. I told you, Hilda, you can take the text max before next module starts. Okay, let me share the screen. Okay, so let me do it here itself. This is a frame, and let's suppose this is layer one. Okay, important. It is important, guys. You can pay attention. And let's suppose it helps when there are multiple layers. Okay, and let's suppose this is third layer and this is fourth layer. Okay, this color, and this is fifth layer. Okay, this is this color. Okay, and one more we have, let's suppose. Okay, this is some blue. Okay, now let's suppose here we have these many layers. Now I want to make this to top. How I can do it? Okay, one way is, let's suppose I want to, here it is at the down. At the down means, if I see, you see, it will see, it is at the down, like the bottommost. Then this one, you see, okay. Then this one, you see, okay. Then this one, correct? You guys are getting, and then this is at the topmost, okay. You guys are clear? So this is the layer hierarchy. Now I wanted to make this at the, right now it is at the bottom. I wanted to make it top. How will I do it? Control or command plus this one. I'll show you. As it is important, I need to write it. Control plus, or command control plus this one. Okay, not this one, this one. Okay, this is for top, and this is for, guys, bottom. Okay. So now you can try. If I click this and press top, now it is at top. Okay, you see here it is going. Okay. Now I press, you see. Now it is at the top. You can see here. And now if I do it, you see it is at the top. Now I wanted to make it at the bottom. You see, now it is here. But it's not in the bottom. You see? It's not in the bottom. Now I wanted to make it bottom. Now it is at bottom. You see? Hope I'm clear, guys. Okay. Okay, Hilda. Okay. 17th next module. Research. Very interesting. Very important. We'll deep dive into research. Okay. Yes, command plus. Tomorrow there is no class, Divakan. Yes, correct. Extreme down. That's fine, Ria. Correct. Okay. Okay. So I'll connect with Paraj personally. And now let's quick recap what we have done so that you guys can summarize. Okay. So our can anyone like before I or I say, can anyone from learner can quickly tell me in 2 minutes or 3 minutes what all quick one? My eyes are on the chat. Anyone? You can raise your hand. Anyone who feels like what all we have covered? Okay, Samruddhi.
Okay, hello sir.
Yeah, Samruddhi, please go
Sir,
ahead.
am I audible?
Yeah.
Yeah, so sir, today we covered the basics of Figma by how can we add the frames according to the screen we are designing. Then the layers panel, how can we group it for our better understanding. How to rearrange the layers. Then how to add the style icons from the and the assets.
Okay.
And then the prototype part, vertical and horizontal scrolling.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
Perfect. Thanks, Samruddhi. So thanks, Samruddhi, for
And
today's.
and the
Yeah.
final exporting part as well. How can we export it in various
Yeah.
formats? Yes,
Correct.
thank you.
Okay. Thanks, Samruddhi. So
Thank you,
Samruddhi has well covered today's topic. Let me recap the entire module one. Okay. So here, what we have done is in a quick, we have actually touched what exactly is UX, what is UI. Okay, like UX is how you interact, UI is how it looks. Okay. Then what we have done is we have went to Airbnb. Okay. And what was the problem statement and how they have built it. We have touched base the Airbnb. Then we have actually went through certain UX disciplines. Okay, like user research. We'll talk about this in detail. Then IA, visual design, all these things we have covered. Writing, prototyping, and wireframing. Then we deep dived into UI and UX differences. What are they? What are its differences? The examples. Okay, some gaming thing were there. We have covered in the very first one. Then the navigation bar, the text field, which we did today. Okay, in the very first class we did that. After that we went through emerging fields like zero UI, voice UX, all this thing we have done. Okay. After that, we touched based into UX designer's role. Okay. So we got to know about personas, empathy map, journey map. So just I'm telling, we'll touch base in detail for everyone in the module 2. Okay, then makes and all these things we have covered. And we also covered different concepts and theories about what is design. Okay, the color theory, the touch base only we have done, typography, composition, good or bad design, the lift example that we did, remember, right? We all did that. Okay, then push and pull, all these things we have done, you remember, right? The old UI and the new UI, we have touched based all this stuff in the first module. In the second module, we to the design thinking fundamentals, right? So what exactly is UX design thinking, their fundamentals, okay? And then user interface, the four type of UX that we talk, you remember, right? So the voice, touch based, menu based, the ATM, right? The graphical, menu based, voice touch based, Alexa we covered in that one. After that, we talked about bit of UX. Okay, so where user needs combined with technology and business goal. So that key components of the UX. Okay, that we covered. Then hierarchy also. Okay, very important. So brand experience, then desirability, usability, utility, all this thing we have covered in the second one. And then we have taken a brief example on factors influencing, right? Whether it is useful, usable. I talked about that soap dispenser, you remember, right? Useful, usable, desirable, findable, accessible, credible, and valuable, right? All this stuff we covered. Factors influencing user experience. Okay, good or bad, we have seen in that one. Okay, and we have covered this with multiple example. You can see the recording. After that, we have done a design process, right? Research, define, ideate. Okay, so first research, then we'll define the problem, then we ideate, we brainstorm about the solution, then we create rough sketch, that is a wireframe, then we create prototype linking between the wireframe, then we test it, that soap dispenser and other physical example that I have given. Okay, you can think, and then again and again iteration till the time user is happy and we are satisfied, and at the end implementation. So these are the design process steps. Okay, and once that is done, then in the module 3, what we have done is we basically touched based into design thinking essentials. Okay, so in the design thinking essentials, what we have done is basically we have talked about how design thinking will be very important in the coming future, because many applications are coming into picture. Okay, so we talked about its importance, and then we talked about what is design thinking. Okay, the approach, the same thing. First, empathize, define, ideate, prototyping, and test. Okay, the same thing that we covered in the module 2 we have done, and we have taken one example, right, where you are about to invite some of your friends for partying and all this. We have covered example, and we have understood how they actually, how you are going to do that in the real time scenario. Okay, we did that, and at the end we just went that MRI also we have done. So all this came into that one, and we quickly talked about design thinking methodologies, okay, or methods basically, that stand for IDEOs, double diamond, okay, IBMs. We touched on all this stuff, and at the last class what we have done is we have basically summarized on the design thinking fundamentals. And meanwhile we have done certain practices. Learners have actually done it, all this stuff they have done it, and they have showcased, and we talked about few tools, you remember, right? Look back, Azure, I told you, like, I'll talk about all this, Slack, Miro. Okay, Figma, we talked about why Figma is important, benefits. Okay, and we simply I told you about how you can set up the Figma. Step 1, step 2, there was mail, you are going to receive the mail also upcoming 24th. These small things, and I've covered. I've created a component with a button, and I showcased, okay, how the Figma works, the component thing, the entire layer I showed you, the left panel, right panel. And today we covered about the project. like how you can actually take a reference from any mobile application or web application and you can design. So mostly we have covered all this. So what I want all from all you is, we have 1 week of time just to go through the recording, try to build that UX concept. Everywhere is UX. Okay, try to correlate with physical example. Okay, for example, if someone is from non design no design this one field, okay, they are away from the this field, okay, or they are working some other in some other areas. So you can think of how you can take the UX thing over there. For example, someone is architect, okay, and you are building, you are helping, you architect and you are creating a building or with some builder. So you think how you can implement UX over there. Okay, you can think if someone is in commerce industry. So let's suppose you are an accountant and you are filing something. So you think how you can improve the things, the way you communicate, okay, so that the customers, the user feel pleased while interacting with you. Okay, that is UX. So feel free, if you are taking stairs also, you see whether the things, the steps, the support that you take while climbing up or climbing down, whether there is a good UX or not. Try to find that UX thing everywhere. It will in, enhance your UX thinking. Okay, that is very important, guys. Okay, try to build that. Okay, that will be super important. And with this note, no other questions. Uh, I'll end the call. And for any doubts or anything, you guys can reach out to me. And Slack is always there for you. Okay, anytime if you feel anything, you can connect with me. Okay, so tomorrow we don't have class. We have class on next Saturday. And whoever have has completed the design, I'm hoping that you will be submit by today EOD, or need some extension, you can connect with the LSM. With that note, thank you all. Have a happy weekend and see you all in the research class next week. Thanks, everyone. Happy weekend. Arun sir, over to you.
Thank you so much, Anand sir, for the wonderful session. And
Thank
thank
you,
you,
sir.
everyone, for your active participation in the session. So, I have shared a feedback link in the chat box. So, if you indeed love this session, please do rate us 5. Anything below a 5, you can leave a comment behind so that we can improve accordingly. Once again, thank you, everyone. Have a great time ahead. Do take care and keep learning always.
Thank you, everyone.